Hey Keys Club family, today I have a special treat. I am in Woodland Heights and on this beautiful street here. And we're at Morrison Street in the Woodland Heights, and I am currently hosting an open house. Got here a little early to shoot this video for you all at home, and let's go take a look. Wraparound porch, and just wanted to show you my beautiful sign. I love that sign. A little bit of a vanity project, however, 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, just a tinge over 3,000 square feet. And part of the heights that we do have here is the wraparound porches. And I just love the character of those windows, guys. That's so beautiful. That just keeps the charm of what the Heights really is. And so, oh man, just comment below. What would you put? Would you put some nice, casual outside furniture and all that? So 1912, guys, and the lot alone is over 9,200 square feet. And as you can see, the restoration, the upkeep, that wood there is straight up from the 1900s. And that wood holds its value, not just the value of cost, but just the structural value. Back in the day, that wood stood stronger than the hands of time, over 100 years already. And so, so we're in the foyer here, and I would say this would be the first gallery, the living room, the formal living room, and I'm loving how it is staged with the 1900s type furniture, keeping the whole character, charm, and the fixtures right there. I'm just loving this space, and the lines are so clean. I mean, it looks straight up from when it was built in 1912, very perfectly restored. And I'm loving that dining room chandelier. Wow, it's just beautiful. So now we are here in the stairwell area. We have a small little cool bathroom there. We'll see in a minute, but I just want you guys to breathe in the 1900s, 1912. Just think of the families that ran around, the little kids to the adults to the aunts and uncles who shared this space back in the 1900s here in the historic Woodland Heights. I'm just blown away about this area, and I'm so happy to present this home from the historic Woodland Heights. And let's check out this nice pocket door. Beautiful. Gosh, and the little details, like right there, not overdone, but just the way it was when we step back into time in the 1900s. We had this cute little quarter door half bath. That's all you need. And the commode there, when you have guests, and I'm loving that little quarter window, and that, I won't even call it pedestal sink. It's just a nice sink, nice corner sink. So, and the detailing here of the wood railings, I mean, you're not going to see this anywhere else from the new homes. I mean, they try to duplicate it, but it's never what it is. So, and I'm loving the chandelier. Gosh, look at the detail in the chandelier. Again, keeping the character of the 1900s style and time. All right, and I'm checking out the ceilings. They look about 12 feet, maybe closer to 13, not sure, about 14 feet. And if you can notice, the door frames, again, continuing the character of the home. And we're stepping into the enlarged kitchen. You have an island there to entertain, get the food ready. And this would be, I would say, the common dining, where you're kind of going through and getting, eating a quick breakfast, lunch, or snack, even dinner maybe. And that island right there, and it's at like almost, I'm gonna say half waist and half up to the chest area. It's not too tall, but not too short. And again, continuing on with the high ceilings. And you have the granite countertops, pretty big sink, wood cabinetry here. And I am just loving the space here. And then we have the pantry, pretty good sized pantry. That's all you need, you know. More storage space. And then now we're gonna go to, let's check out the pool since we're here. So again, we're in the Heights. A lot of these homes the lots are pretty small, but this lot here is over 9,200 square feet, guys. And right now it is probably about 95 degrees. But this pool was built, I was told, in the 60s, the kidney bean shaped, and it's very quiet out here. Again, this area is just super quiet. The walkability score is over 1,000. You could walk your dog, your kids, walk with your neighbors, and I'm just loving the style. It's almost like a Queen Anne Victorian style siding. Very nice, very nice. And the decking looks really durable, so it doesn't look like it's gonna corrode. Pretty high fence, that's like about 8 feet. And you have a long driveway. Let's check out the driveway really quickly. You can park your cars here. Boom. Long driveway, so that's really brings value. You can park probably about a good 6 or 7 cars in that area. It'd be a nice little garage, and I believe there's a bathroom in there. I was told there was a bathroom, so let's go check it out. Keys Club family, let's go. All right. Yes, so it's an outdoor bathroom where the pool pump is at, keeping it safe. And you have the shower, oh my gosh. Outdoor, indoor shower. And you have the commode. So when you're having the pool parties here, guys, boom, you don't have to go inside and get the home all wet in the interior. You can wash off in there. So yeah, oh my gosh, that pool looks so inviting. I want to jump in after this open house, but we have to sell this thing. So give me a call, send me a text if you're interested. Again, this is the fewer homes here in the Heights that have pools, and you don't get a pool these days. And if you do, you barely have any space to put it in the backyard. You don't have any yard. Oh, and here you have extra yard, extra decking for your pool parties. All right, guys, and I'm loving the flooring as well. Oh, again, checking out I love that chandelier. We're in chandelier heaven, guys. All right, where should we go first? Let's go to the right. We have the first of 3 bedrooms. Again, continuing the wood flooring, keeping the charm of the outlook of the home. Nice size closet. How's my hair? All right, second bedroom. Again, nice size room. Great size room. There we go. See if these lights work. Nope. And then another size closet. And then we'll go to the third bedroom. This would be the primary. Again, pretty good sized bedroom with the wooden frames and the primary bathroom here. And wow, it's the granite countertops, the storage space, dual sinks, and the walk-in shower. Wow, that's really nice, guys. Lots of room. And then you have this garden shower or garden tub. The tub and the nice size commode area, and these are pocket doors. So oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Look at that, guys. Wow, that is a gem. I'm loving the stained glass windows. Again, you're not gonna find these in the modern style homes. I'm just gonna keep that cracked open so people can see the beauty of that stained glass and the tall window frame from the 1900s character look of that window. And then you have a nice little office here. So, you know, when you wake up, if you work from home, boom, you have your office. You step into your role, and it's less than 8 feet from your bedroom, from your bed. Nice size closet here. Oh my gosh, I'm loving the storage space and the shirts for your shirts and jackets and suits. And yeah, let's take another shot of the primary bedroom. And then we'll go into the full-size bathroom here. Boom. Excellent size. And then you have a nice little linen closet here. Boom. Utility room. And I'm loving that bicycle, that tandem bicycle. All right, let's go back downstairs. Oh, I'm loving the character of that right there. So, all right, Keys Club family, thank you guys for coming with me on another Heights home historic tour. And one more shot from the staircase. And just think, coming down here, gosh, I'm loving that chandelier. Coming down here, entertaining, showing off this beautiful historic home in a historic neighborhood that makes the Heights a staple, guys. And I'm not, I know it sounds like I'm overstating it, but that's actually an understatement. When you think of the Heights, you think of Woodland Heights. Everyone wants to be here, but none or very few get to come in and experience the actual character and the home of the Heights. This is why I love to feature these type of homes, because they have so much character, so much life to give, from the late 1800s to the early 1900s, even to now. And so if this is something that you're looking for or something close to it, I would love to show you this particular house today, tomorrow, next week. And if you're curious about the Houston market or Houston area market, because I do it all, give me a shout, send me a DM. My information is on the caption notes. All right, guys, this is Armando, local Houston realtor. Thank you again, Keys Club family, on another Heights home tour. Take care.